Put on the weight that's appropriate for you. You got to be careful during this exercise. You don't want to go too heavy. You could injure yourself. You could fall on your chest. You could get stuck. You're not going to be happy. So either find somebody in the gym or a friend to help you so you don't drop that barbell on your chest. Put the weights on, something that's appropriate for you. Take this, squeeze it, stick it on there. So if you do get stuck and you can throw the barbell off, the weights don't come flying off as well all over the gym. Lie down. Beautiful. You want to do a 90-degree angle on your arm. So you take your arms, 90-degree angles, go back, grab the barbell nice and strong, bring it over your chest, the center of your chest, keeping your wrists straight. Shoulders are locked down, feet plant them strong on the floor. We don't want those feet moving around, okay? Strong, abs tight, shoulders down, wrist is straight. Breathe in on the way down, come about an inch off your chest. Perfect, go out on the way up. People get injured really quick on the bench press. I've seen people tear muscles. You want to come an inch off of your chest. Any lower, bam, shoulder pain, elbow pain, bicep pain. No good. Breathe in on the way down. Blow out on the way up, keeping the wrists straight. Now make sure you don't want to move your elbows back and forth either. You want to keep them steady.